My name is Daniel Laban, the automotive doctor, and today I want to help a car owner or lady driver. You might be wondering, should I wait for my car to break down so that I'm able to visit the repair shop? You're not. It is not necessarily for you to wait for the car to break down. Like how you do health check for your own body, even the vehicles. I advise, or it is advised to even have the cars checked before even they break down. To get that inspection report helps you to be able to be up to date with your car health uh, before it breaks down. We are located in Karen, Langata Road, opposite Mazoldi House, near Karen Hospital, next to Rosehan Hardware. We deal in motor vehicle maintenance and servicing, collision repairs, uh, alarm and trackers installation, vehicle restoration, electrical repairs. We bring your car back to life. We do have monthly car clinics where you are able to learn and to equip yourself with the why and how in matters vehicle maintenance. The monthly car clinics are every first week of the month. Book your slot today. Daniel Laban, the automotive doctor. See you.